Last week I showed you 5 tips on how to make your boat look new again. Well, I want to get more in depth on exactly how I did that. So let's get into that right now. Now I'm actually going to use 2 products to bring the glossy finish back to the fiberglass. One of them is going to be the Poli. The other one is I'm going to use this one-step compound and buff that into the fiberglass. Okay, here's the front of the boat. I just power washed it. Here's the whole thing. So I can put a seat right here. This is like a little porta potty area. All the seats, the cushions right here are in there. I got a fishing thing. There's a sink here, the fresh water. Another sink on the other side. Place for a tackle box. This actually holds a cooler. Here's the back. There are cushions for the back, or we can take it out for fishing. Place for rods here. Another rod up there. So it still needs some work. I'll clean all that up. Here's the boat. There are rod holders that are built in here and then back there. Good for some trolling. And there's a live well here. And there's actually one in the very, very front. Up here. It is dirty. Anyways, that's it. All right, so here's the flooring of the boat. I'm taking these panels out. Those were kind of yellow. See how they turn out. Putting this kind of flooring in there. So we'll see how this does in a second. All right, here's the new flooring. Painted this area gray. That side as well. Still got some more flooring to do there. It's starting to come along. And I'm going to put some on this too. So on these plastics on the boat, I use a paint and primer mix spray paint that I got from Walmart. But then on top of that, I used the Poli. And I put that on there to kind of give it the same shine that the rest of the boat was getting. All right. So we're about to put a clear coat on this. See how it looks. Just getting a before and after. All right. Add the clear coat. Not sure if you can tell a difference here or not. Now I didn't do any buffing on the dash. This is just a Poli. Now in these tears, I was able to get some leather vinyl stickers off of Amazon, and I just put it on top of this. So instead of having it reupholstered, I just put these stickers on. Now I even took that buffing compound, the one-step compound, put it on the seats and buffed that out, and it pulled a lot of that dirt off as well. It was great. Now I'm just scrounging around through my boat looking for scrap pieces because I've decided to do the front. The front will hold a lot of dirt when people come in and off the boat from the ladder. All right, so I'm working on the front of the boat, and I have run into a little problem right here. This piece is kind of catty-cornered, and so if I cut this out, and I'm trying to follow these lines that we've already just established here, I could easily twist this piece and get my lines running at crooked angles. So I paused working on this last night, and I was thinking about it all day today, and I think I figured out the solution. Just trace this down, do the same thing. So now I've got the pattern of how I need the lines to be. Okay, so I got the template down here. You can see I matched the lines up, and then I was able to just trace out my template onto this, and voila. Aha, it's perfect. May not look like it now. Those lines match up. Not bad, not bad. Could be a little better, but it's not bad. There we go, starting to come along. A little bit left. All right, there she is. Front's all finished up. It's not 100% perfect, but hey, I'm happy with it. Sure does look a lot better. I got the lines all following the same direction, so hey, that makes me really happy. All right, it's time to clean up the rest of this boat. See how it all looks. Okay, so here's the front of the boat all finished up. Let's show you the rest of the boat here. So in here, there's actually, that's where the seats are going to go. So I'm not going to worry about that right now. What I really want to do is get the flooring done, because this is where everybody steps, and this is where it can get really hot. So you can see the shine that's on there. Some of that is a poly glow, and some of that is just where I buffed it out with that one-step compound. Let's come back here. Much better. So I had a couple extra pieces, so I put it here. I'll do the other side later, but I wanted to get that done just because when people step in off the ladder, I want them to slip. But I'll probably put some other pieces in here. But the seats do go there too. So yeah, this looks great. That yellow out of there looks so good. That yellow over there is gone, and the yellow that was down here in the center is gone. Such a huge improvement. So now here's some things I did the dash. I added this right here. I'm going to put this, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it at just yet, but in case somebody wants to put their phone in, it starts to rain. I had a big hole in my dash right there. So what I did is I just found this little plate at Bass Pro Shop, put that in its place, then mounted this phone charger to it, or phone holder. And then also I had some holes right in here. So I wanted to try and cover those up as best I could. So I put that lure holder there. So anyways, I'm liking how this turned out. If you liked it as well, give me a like. Let me know in the comments below. Well, I hope those tips helped you out. But in a couple weeks, I'm going to make a video that shows what I did on the outside of the boat. So stay tuned for more in the future.